Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace the clip on the 2010 Silverado. This broken clip latch here. This is the factory piece where it broke. This is a replacement piece I bought. It looks pretty thick and hardy. It's from Capital Auto Parts in Oklahoma City. I got it on eBay. First off, you're going to take these 4 screws here out. I've already done that and in my particular application. Once all the screws are removed, I actually started popping out from here and worked my way around up through here, getting the centerpiece here, and then up this side and getting this piece up here last. When I remove it, you can see these clips where they push into these holes, and they run down either side. Next is to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove these two screws here, to remove the old broken piece. With the old broken piece out of the way, you can reinstall the new piece. It's going to go on like so. This is with the new piece back on. It's nice and thick here, so I shouldn't have to worry about it breaking again like the factory one did. And this is a $30 piece off of eBay, as opposed to buying the entire console for anywhere between $140 and $160. Installation of the undershield will be pretty much reverse. You're just going to snap everything back into place and then put the 4 hex screws back in, or torque screws back in. This is with the piece snapped back in. I'll get the 4 torque screws back inside. And that's it. Good as new. Actually better than new. And this is a fix for the Sierra and the Silverado 2008 to 2014. Just for reference, I used a T15 bit to take those pieces, the torque screws off. Good luck.